Stop using English that makes you sound completely passive, unsure, and unmotivated in your team huddles.
Lily, I really don't know what to do in the meeting. I guess we can just try presenting this marketing strategy? I think it might work. Well, maybe.
Error. Passivity alert. Zach is 100% guesswork and 0% execution. Status. Entry-level mode.
Red beep is right, Zach. You're sounding like a passive spectator. A true leader replaces guesswork with strategic projections.
Huh? Strategic projections? Is that like a corporate weather forecast?
Better. It's the linguistic shift that commands respect. Today, we stop sounding unsure and start leading. When proposing a new idea, don't use weak, tentative language. Don't say, "I think this idea is okay. Maybe we can try it if you guys want."
Warning. Extreme hesitation detected. This sounds like you're asking permission rather than leading the conversation. Upgrading to operational mode.
Let's try this. I advocate for this new workflow. The proposal is based on the assessment of our early indicators, suggesting that it's the most efficient route for the team.
Upgrade successful. Status shift. From passive suggester to a decisive leader.
What if you need to tell your manager that a project is facing unexpected challenges? I used to say, "I guess the plan is failing. I am really stressed about it."
Error. Anxiety level. 100. Status. Reactive language. Zach, you're causing unproductive panic within the team.
Exactly. Pivot the panic into a calculated hypothesis. Say this instead. Based on our preliminary assessment, the current project framework requires a major tactical adjustment.
Excellent. Pivot confirmed. You didn't just report failure, you offered an analytical diagnosis. Status. Executive mode unlocked.
What about when a client asks if a massive, last-minute request is possible? Don't overpromise blindly under client pressure and say, "Sure, I think we can do that fast, don't worry."
Danger. Overpromising levels critical. Prepare for a midnight operational meltdown.
Pivot to reality. Try this. To maintain our quality standards, a tomorrow morning release isn't structurally feasible. However, I can fast-track an expedited delivery for Wednesday afternoon.
Status. Strategic command. Boundary. Established safely. Daily audit complete. Results. 3-week guesses nuked. 3 strategic phrases mastered.
Which upgrade are you bringing to your office meetings this week? The strategy pitch, the risk assessment, or the client deadline? Let us know below.
Subscribe to join our leadership circle. Continue practicing, and we will see you with more upgrades in our next video very soon. Bye and take good care.